If you already have the Investorm version 1 point something, version 2 point something, version 3.0, and you've not gotten this new version, which is version 1.3.1, man, you are missing. Like the previous version, some places have issues of they don't have the withdrawal method, like the crypto withdrawal method is not there. But in this new very version, you have access to all crypto withdrawal. All you just need to do is activate them. If it is crypto withdrawal you want to use, you just come to your admin dashboard, you come to your setting, and you scroll down here and you activate all your supported wallets. Now you can activate all these wallets if you want to. Then you scroll down, you put your wallet address and everything. This is superb. So if you don't have this script, I will be walking you through this very script, how to install it. Yeah. And if you need this very script, you know how we do it. You just, the number that is below this very video, just chat me up and this script will be yours. So what I'm going to do, I'm just go ahead to my cPanel and I'm just going to upload the file. So let me just go to my cPanel and upload the file. I'll click on my file manager. For the record, I am using Namecheap hosting. Yeah, I'm using Namecheap hosting for this. So I'll just come to this place. I'll use this very domain here. I'll click on upload and I'm going to upload my script. Then I'll just wait for it to upload. Let me pause my video and I'll return after it has uploaded. Now I'm done uploading my script. I'll just click on this, go back here. Then the next thing is for us to unzip our script. Just unextract it, extract your zip file and delete that major zip file. We no longer need this very zip file, so I'm just going to delete it. Then I will open this. I will move my file. This very Investorm is what I need. I don't need the rest, so I'm going to move it to my main URL, which is this. Then I'm going to hit enter. Once I've moved it, I don't need this very folder, so I'll just delete this folder. Then I'm still going to extract this very one. I'll click on extract because that's where all my files are. Now once I'm done extracting, I'll still delete this very Investorm. I don't need it anymore. Then I will open this very folder and I'll move this tool file. Yeah, I'll move this tool file to my main URL like this. Then after moving it, I don't need this Investorm folder. Yeah, skip. Now we are done. So the next thing, go and create your database. I'll come to this place and type database wizard. And I'm going to create my database name, Investorm 1. I'll click on next. Then I'll create my username, Investorm 1. I'll just use the same thing. Then I'll generate a password for it. And I'm done. So I'm going to create user and I'm going to allow privilege. Allow privileges, and I am done with this. So once you are done, the next thing is to go click on your URL. Yeah, just click on your URL. So let me just type my URL and let us begin installation. But before that, let's open this place. We need to give our URL some folders privilege here. We need to change it to 0775. If you want to do that, just come here and /public. We have a folder called /public. So I'll just do it like this. Let's see. Now we want to begin our installation. As you can see, our installation has started. So you need to check the requirement. Then you click on check requirement. We've met this. Go and check permission. Now we need to give all these folders permission. So all we need to do is come back to our folder here, this very place, and click on core in inv app. Open this very place, and first thing here, we want to come to our storage. Our app, want to give it 0775. Then framework, the same thing, 0775. Then logs the same thing, 0775. Then open your app. There is another folder. We want to give brand 0775 and want to give public 0775. Then once you are done, go back to the main app folder which is this. Okay, open your Bootstrap, give your cache 0775. Now let's refresh our installation. Let's see if we've passed that very place. All right, so let's go to our environment configuration. What is the name of your website? Yeah, the name of my website is Valio Auto Parts. Yeah, then leave it as production. App debug mode, leave it as false. Then you can put the name of your URL. Everything is okay. Yeah, let's go to setup database. What is our database? Our database here is localhost. Then our DB name, remember we created the DB. We use this as our DB and as our username. So I'm just going to copy this to here and put in your password. Make sure your password is correct. If your password is not correct, it will not connect to your DB. Then click on install, and if your DB is correct, it will go to the next. Now our DB is not correct, so let me go back and change my password. I think I did a mistake on my password, so let me go and change my password. Let me scroll down, Invest1, then let me change my password here. Let me use this auto-generated password. I'll just copy it and I'll click on use password and change password. Now after changing the password, I'll come back here and I'm going to go back here. Let me put my password here. Then let me go and copy back my DB. Let me copy back my database. Like I said, your database must be correct. If it is not correct, you'll have this issue. All right, let me leave my database like this. And okay, let's go install. It should work now. Okay, still the same thing. Like I said, if you don't use the right thing, you have issues. Yeah, let's go back and set. Yes, we're using MySQL. Our host is localhost. Our database name, the same thing. Make sure there is no space. Yeah, just try and clear all the space. So let me just rechange my password. Let me rechange my password so that I can be on a safer side. Then change it. Okay, let's go back to this place. Make sure there is no empty space, because if there is empty space, it's going to have issues there. Check if everything is correct. Then let's install. Perfectly. So our database is installed. The next thing you need to do is click on complete installation. Now this is where you need to put your license code. Like I said, we have already cracked this very script. So I will just give you the default license code. You can use any username there. You can use anything as your username, and you can use any email there. So I'm just going to send you this and you submit. Once you submit, it's going to bypass this and activate your application. Thanks. It has been activated. Now we go to the next thing. What is the name of your admin? My name is admin. What is your username? This at gmail.com. Now remember your admin password. Then once you are done, you click on create account. Now you can log into your admin. If you do mistake here, you don't remember your password, that is it. Now we do our main setup. What is the name of your site? The name of the site is Valio Auto Parts. What is your site email address? You click on update. Make sure your site email address is correct. All right, make sure your site email address is correct. Like, you can do this later. If you don't have a site email yet, you can do that later. Now this is your admin. Yeah, Now you will see this notification to set up your active deposit method. All you need to do is click on this and you go to your deposit method. If you want to use PayPal, crypto, bank transfer, if it is crypto, you click on this very setting and you can set up. Now you see there are some of these places that you cannot check. It's because we've not activated the wallet. So all we need to do is scroll down. Yeah, scroll down to this place and go to where you see global setting. Click on global setting and click on manage currency. Once you click on manage currency, scroll down. On this your secondary currency, you can make it as USDT or BTC. Then the wallet you want to appear, like Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Tron, USDT, anyone you activate here is going to appear. So once you are done, you click on update. Then once you click on update here, then you come back to your payment method. Come back to your payment method, come to your crypto, click on this setting, and voila, you can activate your this, you can activate this, you can activate this, because we've already activated them. Is that okay? So now look at the wallet down. All you need to do is put your wallet and set everything. So that is your payment method. You can also do that for Mudra method. Yeah. Now you need to set up your mailing. If you see this, you need to set up your email notification. So if it is SMTP you want and anything, just make sure if it is SMTP, you click on SMTP here. Then your SMTP server will be your domain.com. Remember, your domain.com, your SMTP port, your secured SMTP, your email and your password. Make sure you set it. Is that okay? Now, if you don't want email verification, click on setting, scroll down. Yeah, scroll down to where you see email required, verification required, and uncheck it. If you want to uncheck it, if you want to check it, you want them to be, verifying their email, just enable it. Yeah. Now, if you come to this investment plan, this is where you fix your investment. This is where you put your plan. Yeah, you click on this manage scheme and you add any scheme you want. This is the default scheme that is there. You can actually delete it and you can actually add a new scheme. Then if you want to add okay, I think that is all about that. Then if you want to manage users, this is where all your users are. This is where all your users are. Then if someone requests for withdrawal, yeah, you are going to see the withdrawal in the place. Is that okay? Now if you click on withdraw, this is where you see withdrawal alert and everything. This is where you see deposit. If someone places a deposit, you can actually now you can add deposit to someone's wallet, you can add bonus and etc. So just click on add deposit. You select the person's user, if it is manual or direct. Then if it is direct deposit or you want to anything, then you just add the deposit to the person. You select the account from this place. So this script is very rich. Like I said, if you need this script, you know what to do. Click on the WhatsApp number below this very video and send us a message on WhatsApp. I'll see you in my next video.